What up, family? It's your boy, Super Kami Guru. Just doing a little follow-up video showing how do you get some money onto the Say Network. For a couple homies, we're asking on last night's live stream. So yeah, here it goes. Stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, man. So let's get started with this, man. Say Network, new network, kind of growing, right? We're trying to get on this play, this what do you call it, red pepe or something like that. Anyways, they're launching a new 404 standard token on there. Pretty dope. I don't know. I know if you guys caught last night's stream, it's been pretty freaking lit, dude. These 404 standards. They're gonna release a brand new one on Say. It's gonna be the first one, so it has a first buy, early buy advantage. Pretty dope, man. It's something we're bullish on. We'll see how it goes. Just trying to get you guys ready to jump on in with us. So first things first, you guys are gonna need to create a Compass wallet. You guys will go here to compasswallet.io. I'll have links in the description below. But yeah, we'll start here. It'll take you to this website. You can go get Compass. Choose your browser, whether it's Edge, Brave, Chrome, whatever. It's on Google Play or Apple iPhone if you guys want to get it on your phone, on mobile. Right now I'm on Chrome, so we'll use Chrome. It'll take you to this page. Add to Chrome. It'll give you this. It says it can read and change all your data on all websites, right? So you're going to go ahead and agree. Add extension. Wait for this to load up. And right here, it'll give you the option, create new wallet, use an existing wallet off of any of these other ones like Leap or Kepler. You use a recovery phrase or using your private key, right? Or you can even connect a hardware wallet. You guys are going to go ahead and collect new, press new, create new wallet. You'll go here, and now it's going to give you, oh, shit, you guys saw my seed phrase. It's going to give you the C phrase here, right? So these 12 words, very, very important that you do not show them to anybody, all right? This is just a tutorial video, so I really don't care. I'm not even going to create this wallet, right? Once you're done there, man, you say, I have the seed words somewhere safe. Let me copy this clipboard. See if this works. And then, no, it's going to piss all of them. Whack. Either way, it's going to ask you to verify, right? You're going to verify it all. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to pin your extension onto your to your browser. I've already went ahead and done this on a different browser. I'll show you guys right now. But essentially, that's how you create the wallet, the Compass wallet. That's going to be the native wallet to the Say Network, right? And that's going to help you get in and out your funds or do whatever you need to do on that exchange, right? Which is it's pretty dope, right? It's what you're going to be using to buy NFTs and everything else that you want, right? So we'll go ahead and go back. Once all that's done and you've done your thing, you'll go to your extensions. Right, these are my other wallets that I kind of have pinned here. But yeah, you'll go to Compass, you'll pin it, you'll hit the little pin button. Right now, it's pinned up there. That'll connect whenever you go to different networks or whatever, right? Or when you go on the network, right? So now that you guys have your wallet, it's ready to go. You created your wallet. You've saved your seed phrases. Make sure you save them analog style. Do not copy the clipboard. Do not save digitally on the off chance that cyber attacks is one of the growing most attacks, right, going on in the world, right? Cyber attacks are fucking growing exponentially, man. It's what everybody's getting hit by. I've been a victim of cyber attacks before too. Not having 2FAs on my centralized exchanges on and off ramps back in the day of 2019, 2020. Definitely learned. I've grown, so learn from my mistakes. Save all your seed words, analog, write them down, put them in marker, write them on metal, whatever you guys got to do. Anything just to like withstand a fire, right? You want to save these. You want to keep them somewhere safe, in a safe of your house. Hell, you can even go put them in a bank, right? In a bank safe or whatever's clever. But you want to have them, you want to have a physical copy. You don't want to have them stored on any devices on the off chance you lose your device or you get hacked and people have access to your images. They see your seed phrase. Now they know they can start going into random wallets, or if you have it, labeled, Compass wallet, seed phrase, then they know, all right, cool, Compass wallets. And then now you're putting all your assets at risk. So you don't want to save them digitally. All right. Cannot stress that enough. All right. Once you've done that, for those of you that are just getting into crypto, for those of you that have been into crypto, you need to find an on-ramp, off-ramp. My older brother made a video on how to swap using your wallets, right, from MetaMask to Osmosis Network or the Osmosis dApp, and then swapping over to Say, native Say on the Say network, and then sending it over to your Compass wallet. That was back when we were a lot earlier into Say network. Now it's getting a lot smoother. You can literally do this off Coinbase. So you go to www.coinbase.com, and that brings us to Coinbase. You'll be here, right? It'll look something like this. You go search for your asset. And this is dope because you don't have to do any sort of transaction on chain. You just kind of type in Say. It's right there, SEI, right? For the Sayans out there. And I've already preloaded. I just sent back 20 tokens, 20 Say tokens, which equates to 16.85 cents. Worth of US dollars, right? So you're here. You'll pretty much from here, you just send money back and forth. You can load up. You can buy it straight off your account, straight off your bank, right? You link your bank account to this or whatever you're buying or however you're trying to load money onto Coinbase. Then from here, you're going to send it off to your wallet, right? So you go to your wallet here. You go to your extension. Open up your extension. You type in your password. Let me see. All right, it's opened it up. I have no money in this. Here's your public key, right? So this is how you send, and this is pretty much how you receive. Or you can hit receive here. There's your public key. Feel free to send me all your Say tokens. I'll use them wisely. But you go ahead and click this to clipboard. All right. You'll go over here to send and receive on Coinbase. US dollar, US denomination. I'm going to go ahead and max this out. I'm going to send it all. The recipient will be me. Boom. So that's my Say address. And if you really, really want to get technical, motherfucker. If you really want to get technical, can you stop? Why is it sending ETH? No, not ETH. Say. There you go. Weird. I have a burner wallet. I have other wallets, obviously. So you go ahead and paste it. Those are your public keys. Here you go. You could do the first 5 digits here in your last few and just verify that it all matches up with your wallet, right? So here's my wallet. Oh, look, there it is. Same. So they match up. I know it's going to the right place. We're going to go ahead and enter that. Send memo. You could put a memo. You cannot, man. Just, whatever. And then I'll do the max amount of Say that I want to send. All of it. All 20 tokens that I have on Coinbase. Preview send. Now they're going to charge me a 2 cent fee. Assholes. It literally cost me 1 cent to send it back onto Coinbase. So you're literally paying more. Fuck Coinbase. But 2 cents to transact, send money bound. Not bad, right? So send now, and then that's it, man. I have a two-factor authentication key. I cannot send money off of Coinbase without having a physical key on me, man. And this is kind of goes into security on why you guys want to be very protective of your accounts. I lost money the first time doing that on Kraken. I didn't have a two-factor. I didn't even set up the text message. At the very least, set up the text message one. Now, it'll save you some time. People, text you or whatever. But ideally, you want to have like a hard wallet, man, something that like legit you have to have physically on you so that anybody that can get access to your account cannot move your funds without this key, which is to me is dope. Yeah, it's amazing. It just gives me peace of mind, man, that no one can move my funds around in any of my wallets like that. So now we're gonna wait a little bit. Transactions fairly quick. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. And in a couple of seconds you'll have your say. Oh, look at that, it's already there. So right, that quick, right? Pretty quick. Now I got my $16 back in my portfolio. From here, we're gonna go to Pallet. What is this? Pallet.exchange, right? And like I said, I'll have links provided in the description below. Give me 1 second. So Pallet.exchange, and that's pretty much it. From here, we're in the network. You can see all the NFT collections that they have here. This seems to be the main NFT marketplace for the Say network. And right now, the ones that we are interested in is Red Pepe. So you'll go here to the search bar. Look, it's the first one to go, Red Pepe. Things are cheap. Things are real low, dude. Real cheap, right? Dude, one Say, so literally $1.18. I'm gonna pick up a handful of these. Let's see if I can get it going today. I tried it yesterday on stream, so I'm gonna sweep the floor. Just kind of pick up 4 of these items, $7 worth, right? Or 7.73 Say, which is a little less than $7. And I have, I think, a total of 20 tokens. So I'll pick up 5. There you go, 10 Say tokens. So let's see if I can buy these. Wallet not connected, right? You got to connect your wallet, dummy. So from here, you go to Connect Wallet, go to Compass, redirecting. I got this little advice here saying if I want to connect or not. I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. Boom, I'm in, right? My Say wallet's connected. You see the funds, 20.99 Say. Verify account, right? Done deal. It's giving me another thing. Palette, all right, cool. It's giving me another little pop-up window. Approve it. And done deal, man. We're in. We're connected. Let's see if I can get these 5 fucking Red Pepes. Processing. Boom. It's telling me the gas fees are low right now. I'm literally going to spend 3 cents to buy $10 worth of fucking NFTs here. I'm going to go ahead and approve it. And like I said, this isn't the store of value here. This isn't really what transactions approved. This isn't really what we're going after, these Red Pepes, right? But the developers of this Red Pepe are the developers of this other token that's going to come out, this new standard, this 404 token, right? And that's essentially what we want to get into. But in order to do that, we're theorizing that they're going to give their holders of Red Pepe, right, almost like an early pre-sale. So before it goes public to everybody to buy, we're kind of going to get a little bit of a head start, right? A head start on anybody else to get into this project, this new, I think it's called Circle 404 on this exchange. So, or on this network, on the same network. I know we made a video yesterday about it. But yeah, man, like this 404 standard is going buck wild. So we're just doing that. That pretty much concludes the video. Once you're here, you have a Compass wallet. You're now exchanging on Say. You can on-ramp, off-ramp your money to Coinbase back and forth. If you were trying to send money back to Coinbase, I'll show you guys that one real quick. Let's say you wanted to send money back to Coinbase. You search your asset, which in this case we're doing Say, right? Just like normal. Boom. You hit here, send and receive. You hit receive, and here is your Say address, right? You'll copy this, open up your Compass pin, your Compass wallet. It's gonna say send receive. You hit send, boom, copy paste, There you go. Now you can send yourself back whatever amount you have, right? Boom. I'm not going to send it there. I'm going to send it to my actual wallet where I make moves on, say. But that's how you would do it. You hit OK. And you eventually, a couple minutes, couple seconds, you'll have your money back here on Coinbase. And that's pretty much it, man. That concludes the video, dude. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead. Post them up, and I'll get to them when I can. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, that's pretty much it, dude. So catch you guys on the next one.